Now we're going to make a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. What we really end up doing is take one of our stem and leaf plots and the other one and kind of smash them together. Let's take our data set again. When making our back-to-back stem and leaf plot, it's going to be really similar to making a regular stem and leaf plot. We're going to have our stem, size it accordingly. We're going to have our teen values, our 20s, and our 30s. We'll center this to make it look nice. We're going to highlight our stem, add a right side border for the US archer to indicate their score. And then we're going to have a left border for the South Korean archer and have their score over there. We're going to merge some cells so that we can title the right-hand side for the US archer. Then we're going to enter its data. So there are no teens, so we don't need to worry about that. We're going to have 4 representing 24, 7 for 27, 9 for 29, 9 again for 29, and 0 for 30. Similarly, we're going to do that on the left side. We're going to merge these cells so that we can put the title on top. And then for the one here, since we have no teens, there's nothing to worry about. Then we want to indicate our 20s so that we first start with 27. So it will look like 72. Then we'll do 27 again. It'll look like 7 and 2. We'll have 8, looks like 8 and 2. And 9 indicates as 29. Then we have a last value for 30, and then we'll indicate that as a 0. What we need to do next is to add a key. We want to make sure we format the key as text. So on the left side, for the Korean archer, the key is going to look a little bit different than the right side key for the United States archer. We're going to type in key. Then we're going to have 9 and then a right border and then a 2. So this will equal 29. And then for our US archer, our key is going to be the standard way of writing it, 2. Then we add in a right border. Then we're going to add 7. This will equal 27. And there you go. That's our back-to-back stem and leaf plot. What we want to do now is highlight these cells. We can right-click it and copy it and then paste it wherever we want. One more thing, we should add a title. This looks nice. We can select all of our values for our back-to-back stem and leaf plot. Since we need a little bit more space, we'll cut and shift it down. Merge some cells together. Then we type in the title of our choice. So we can say 2024 archery points scored. We can now copy our back-to-back stem and leaf plot and paste it wherever we need. Going to be pasting it into our PowerPoint presentation. And the rest is just aesthetics. If we want to, we can select the cells we want to recenter them so they look a lot nicer.